You may feel like life is not going the way you planned. You may have dreams that feel too far, goals that seem unreachable, and questions that echo in your heart. You may wonder why things are happening this way, why doors keep closing, or why the path seems unclear. But what if I tell you that every delay, every setback, and every struggle is part of a plan far bigger than yours? What if the life you imagine is only a small chapter, while Allah's design for you stretches far beyond what you can see? Sometimes, we think we know what is best for ourselves. We create maps, draw timelines, and chase goals with all our energy. We want success, recognition, comfort, and control. But life rarely follows our perfect plan. You may have invested years into something, only to see it crumble. You may have waited patiently, only to be met with disappointment. It is natural to feel hurt, frustrated, or lost. These feelings are real, and they are human. But here is the truth. What seems like a closed door today may be opening a gateway to something far greater. Allah's plan is not limited by what you see. It moves in ways you cannot imagine. It works silently, shaping paths, connecting moments, and creating blessings that you might not even recognize yet. Think about the moments when you felt despair, but later realized something better came into your life. Perhaps a missed opportunity led you to a career you love. Perhaps a broken relationship guided you to people who truly care. Every setback, every struggle, every moment of waiting is part of a bigger story. Allah is not against you. He is working behind the scenes. Trust does not mean you ignore your efforts. It means you continue to try, but with faith that the outcome is in His hands. You plant the seeds, you nurture them with action and patience, and Allah provides the rain in ways you cannot control. This is the beauty of surrendering to a higher wisdom. It does not make you weak. It makes you resilient, hopeful, and guided. Patience is not just waiting. Patience is choosing to trust even when your mind cannot understand. It is believing that what seems like a delay is preparation, what feels like a loss is redirection, and what appears to be a detour is protection. Life is full of moments that challenge your faith. Some days will feel heavier than others. Some nights will feel endless. But remember, every moment is shaping you for something greater. Every challenge is a teacher, every struggle is refining your heart, and every tear is a sign that Allah sees you and is with you. Your story is not finished yet, and your chapter of blessing is on its way. When you start trusting Allah's plan, your perspective changes. You stop measuring life by immediate results and start noticing subtle signs of progress. You feel grateful for small victories, patient with delays, and hopeful for the unseen future. Doors begin to open, opportunities appear, and people come into your life at the right time. You realize that your dreams, your plans, and even your fears are threads in a tapestry you cannot fully see, but one that is woven with purpose. Your life is not random. Your journey is intentional. Your story is in the hands of a Creator who loves you beyond measure. So if you are feeling lost, frustrated, or uncertain, pause and take a deep breath. Look at the path you are walking, and remind yourself that Allah's plan is bigger than yours. Your hardships are not punishments, they are shaping your strength. Your waiting is not wasted, it is timing. Your prayers are not unheard, they are answered in ways beyond your imagination. Keep your heart soft, your mind hopeful, and your soul trusting. Every step you take, no matter how small, is guided. Every tear you shed is counted. Every struggle you endure is meaningful. You are not alone, and your story is far from over. Remember this as you move forward today. Allah knows what is best for you even when you do not. He is arranging your life in ways you cannot foresee, placing people, opportunities, and blessings in your path at the perfect moment. Keep trusting, keep striving, and keep your heart open to the possibilities that He has prepared. The life you hope for is coming, but it will arrive in a way you could never have planned. This is the essence of faith, hope, and surrender. If this message touched your heart, share it with someone who needs it. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to stay inspired and connected. Keep believing, keep trusting, and keep walking forward. Allah's plan for you is bigger than yours, and His timing is perfect.